Take a ride in the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, traction control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, premium sound system. Come take a test drive today.